Ready? Start. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the impugned judgment and order dated 26/11/2019 passed by the High Court of Uttarakhand at Nainital in writ petition number 1314 of 2014, by which the High Court has dismissed the said writ petition preferred by the appellants herein without entering into the merits of the case. The original writ petitioner has preferred the present appeal. Full stop. The facts leading to the present appeal in nutshell are as under: that the respondent herein raised an industrial dispute challenging his termination dated 15/6/1996. Full stop. The dispute was referred to the Labour Court. Full stop. The presiding officer, Labour Court, Dehradun, passed an award dated 31/5/1997 holding that the termination order is illegal. Full stop. The Labour Court directed the reinstatement of the respondent with full back wages. Full stop. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the judgment and award passed by the Labour Court, Dehradun in case number 180 of 1996, the original petitioners appellants having preferred writ petition number 6898 of 1997 before the High Court of Allahabad. Full stop. Para. That the High Court of Allahabad passed a conditional interim order staying the execution of award and on condition to deposit the entire back wages before the Labour Court. Full stop. The appellant complied with the same and deposited the amount of back wages. Full stop. That during the pendency of the aforesaid writ petition, the state of Uttarakhand came to be created and the jurisdiction of the Labour Court, Dehradun, came within the jurisdiction of the state of Uttarakhand. Full stop. Para. In that view of the matter and in view of section 35 of the Uttar Pradesh Reorganization Act 2000, the proceedings pending before the High Court at Allahabad were required to be transferred to the High Court having jurisdiction, in the present case, the High Court of Uttarakhand. Full stop. However, writ petition number 6898 of 1997 was not transferred by the Chief Justice of the High Court of Allahabad for whatever reason. Full stop. Para. Therefore, when writ petition number 6898 of 1997 though was required to be transferred to the High Court of Uttarakhand, as what was challenged before the High Court of Allahabad was the judgment and award passed by the Labour Court, Dehradun, the jurisdiction of which subsequently vested with the High Court of Uttarakhand, came up for hearing before the Allahabad High Court on 24/4/2014, and the Allahabad High Court was of the view that since the award has been passed by the Labour Court, Dehradun, and therefore the jurisdiction does not lie with the High Court of Allahabad, and therefore permitted the appellants herein original writ petitioner to withdraw the writ petition with liberty to file fresh petition before the appropriate court, that is High Court of Uttarakhand. Full stop. Para. That thereafter the appellants herein preferred the present writ petition before the High Court of Uttarakhand, which was numbered as writ petition number 1314 of 2014, challenging the award dated 31/5/1997 passed by the presiding officer, Labour Court, Dehradun in case number 180 of 1996. Full stop. That thereafter the matter was listed before the learned single judge of the High Court of Uttarakhand on 26/11/2019. Full stop. Para. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the impugned order passed by the High Court of Uttarakhand, the original writ petitioners have preferred the present appeal.